All right, let's dive into a really critical and honestly an often overlooked challenge that pretty much every modern organization is facing right now. What on earth do you do when the AI you depend on suddenly and catastrophically goes wrong?
So, just to set the stage, this is the very first part of a deep dive we're doing. It's all based on a fantastic report from Virtualization Options LLC. And who is this for? Well, if you're an IT manager or in senior management, you're exactly who we're talking to. We're laying out a strategic roadmap for you to navigate this new AI world.
And that really brings us to the core question, doesn't it? AI isn't just a neat feature anymore. Think about it. It's running everything from customer service bots to making mission-critical decisions. It is the literal cornerstone of your operation. So what happens when that cornerstone starts to crack? Look, we all know AI has unlocked some incredible power and efficiency, but that power comes with a whole new kind of peril, a new category of risk that your current incident response plans are, frankly, dangerously unprepared to handle.
To really get why your old playbook is basically obsolete, we first have to understand just how differently AI fails compared to the traditional IT problems we're all used to. It's a whole new ballgame.
Let's start with something called model drift. This isn't a sudden server crash that sets off alarms. No, this is more like a silent decay. Imagine a bridge that's slowly, quietly weakening over time. The model's predictions just get worse and worse, and often none of your traditional alerts will even notice until the damage is already done.
And then you have algorithmic bias. This isn't some simple bug you can just patch and move on. No, this is a deep systemic failure. It's when your AI learns from the hidden biases in your own historical data and then amplifies them, creating discriminatory outcomes at a massive, massive scale.
And what about AI hallucinations? When your generative AI creates information that looks totally plausible, but it's completely made up. These are called emergent behaviors, meaning nobody explicitly programmed them to do this. They just happen. And that represents a wild new frontier of risk that needs a totally different kind of response. So, here's the bottom line. Your old incident response plans, they were built for predictable failures, things like system crashes or network outages. They just fall dangerously short when you're up against the subtle, systemic, and frankly bizarre nature of AI incidents. So, what's really at stake when one of these things happens? Well, the impact goes way beyond just a technical disruption. It cuts right to the very core of your business. Let's just paint a picture of the financial risk. Say your AI loan system develops a bias. All of a sudden, you're not just dealing with a technical glitch. You are facing millions in regulatory fines. You're dealing with lawsuits, and you're suffering reputational damage that could take you years to ever recover from. And in some sectors, the stakes get so much higher. Imagine a diagnostic AI in a hospital that's suffering from model drift. The misdiagnoses that result don't just create a legal nightmare, they put patient safety at risk. The human cost there can be immense, and for the organization, it can be an existential threat.
And if all of that wasn't enough, you've got the regulatory landscape, which is changing fast. New laws like the EU AI Act are putting really strict requirements on transparency and accountability. So having a defined AI incident response plan is no longer just a nice to have. It's quickly becoming a legal and operational necessity.
So you're facing all these complex new threats. Where do you even start? How do you possibly build a defense? Well, the answer starts by recognizing that this is not just an IT problem. And this quote from the report just absolutely nails it. This isn't just a technical challenge. The solution can't be stuck in a silo in your tech department. It has to be a coordinated effort that goes across the entire organization. So what does that actually look like in practice? Well, of course, you need your engineers and data scientists in the room to figure out the technical root cause, but you also need your legal and ethics teams to figure out the regulatory exposure and the societal impact. You need your communications team to manage the public story and protect your brand. And you absolutely need executive leadership to make those high-stakes business calls. It has to be a coordinated, multidisciplinary effort. So we're left with this final question. Your old playbook is officially obsolete. Are you ready to write the new one? Because in the age of AI, being prepared isn't just about good practice anymore. It's about survival. And in the next parts of this series, we're going to show you exactly how to build that new playbook, step by step.